for you. I believe that you will need the wisdom of King Solomon to see you justly through these times and these weighty matters. Believe me, you are in my prayers, and you do not stand alone. Solomon put it this way in regards to the advantages of people working together. Two people are better than one, for they can help each other succeed. If one person falls, the other can reach out and help. But someone who falls alone is in real trouble. Those words are at the heart of what I have brought to support you with today. I've spent better than half of my adult working life in the field of warehousing and distribution, with the bulk of that time in management. If you were to attach certificated language to my expertise, I would have a PhD in my field. I understand warehousing and distribution and what it takes to get the job done right. I have been employed by this district for over 6 years as a stock clerk in distribution services, with my primary responsibilities focusing on making sure that textbooks and other related instructional materials find their way into the hands of students and teachers in a timely and an efficient manner. This has been historically and obviously a very important function. No textbooks, no study guides or notebooks, no teacher's guides equals no education. The state of California has essentially confirmed this point by enacting the Williams Act of 2004 and made it the law of the land. If textbooks are not in the hands of students 8 weeks after the opening day of school, local districts face serious state-imposed financial repercussions. Last year we faced the largest volume of new textbook adoptions and came dangerously close to not achieving the requirements of the Williams Act. Only through what one of our supervisors labeled a Herculean effort by our truck drivers and stock clerks were we able to get the textbooks to the schools and avoid non-compliance and its penalties. I quote from a memorandum of appreciation from Jennifer Cheatham.
Mr. Simonovich, we have the letter. I'm sorry, we have somebody.
Okay, I won't quote from that. I'll finish it up in here.
Thank you.
Okay, last year was demonstrably difficult, almost impossible. This year, the new textbook adoptions have doubled from 22 to 40. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to support you today, and I'm to tell you that the compliance of the Williams Act this year will be impossible under these proposed cuts. We don't need cuts in truck drivers. We need reinforcements. Someone has given you foolish advice. I equate it to the fact that if you have a wise farmer and he raises up a prosperous farm, and then he turns it over to an ignorant son or a foolish son, he gives away the farm. Please do not give away the farm.